Good morning students, class 9th. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today I am going to teach you English grammar. Your topic is voice and this is its part 6. This time you try to understand conversion of imperative sentence from active into passive. Just I hope you all are ready with pen and pencil to write the important rules regarding this, and you are active to understand it well. As you know, imperative sentence has no subject. Just you write a sentence: play football. Play football. Care here, the sentence has been started with a main verb. This is the main verb of the sentence, and football is the object of this sentence, but there is no subject. Subject has been understood here. I mean, imperative sentence has no subject. For every sentence of imperative, subject is you, that is understood. Subject you is for all the imperative sentences. So first of all, as you do in other sentences also, object is made subject. Football is the object of this imperative sentence. That's why write down here football as subject of passive. Then should be of your own as helping verb. Write down should be in all the imperative sentences. You can use should be of your own, and after should be you have to use V3. As you know, in passive only third form of main verb is used. Main verb of the sentence is here play, so write down played. Football should be played. In this way only give should be of your own after making object as subject of passive, and then use V3. That is the rule for imperative sentence. You can change an active sentence in this way into passive for every imperative sentence. Just call the police. Call the police. Here police is the object, so write down police, and should be of your own you have to give na. Police should be called. Police should be called. This one is active and this one is passive. Other way to change imperative sentence is that use let of your own. First of all, before making object as subject in passive, use your let of your own. Let, then write down object as subject. Let the police. Let the police be called. Let the police be called. This way also police should be called, or let the police be called. In this way, other way of it you can write here let football be played. Let football be played. In this way also you can do this. So you have to take care. The structure for such sentence is subject plus should be plus V3 plus full stop or let plus subject plus be plus V3 plus full stop. Either make first of all object as subject, then use should be, then use V3, then full stop, or use let of your own first, then use subject, then use be, then use V3, then use full stop. Just one more example I want to give you. Take care here. Take medicine. Take medicine timely. Take medicine timely. You may write this is active, and you may write in passive medicine should be taken timely. Passive it is. Or let medicine be taken timely. This is passive. If there is no object, write down note. If there is no object in active, then we use verb according to the sense of the sentence, as run fast, activities, and here fast is not object, this is complement. So here you are ordered to run fast. This one is passive. Do it. Do immediately. Do immediately. Here do is main verb, immediately is not an object. That's why here you are suggested to do immediately. My dear students, in this way I hope you have understood how to change an imperative sentence into passive. If there is object, use your object of imperative as subject of passive, and then should be as helping verb. Use after subject, after new subject, and then use third form of a main verb that is given in your sentence. If other way you want to change it, use let of your own first. Before subject use let and then use be. After that third form of main verb and then use full stop. If there is no object in imperative sentence, then according to the sense of the verb, use you are ordered, you are suggested, you are requested, you are forbidden, and then with to write down the verb of active. In the same way, in this way you can change your imperative sentence into passive. I hope you will make it fair and you will remember it well to use your passive sentence in imperative properly. Thank you.